Hello everyone, my name is Nuthan Polineni. I will be talking about Wireshark, a powerful tool for network traffic analysis. These are this is the agenda for this presentation. So what is Wireshark? Wireshark is an open source packet analyzer helps capture and inspect live traffic, and it is used by network admins, engineers, and researchers. Wireshark interface. It consists of the following. This is the menu bar where it consists file, edit, view, go, capture, analyze, statistics, telephonic, tools, wireless tools, help. And these are the tools bar. This is for starting starting the capture. This is for stopping the capture. These are some settings. This is the packet list pane where the live packets or the captured packets are displayed. This is the packets bytes pane where in detail packet is present. Installation. In order to install Wireshark, we go into the Wireshark website. So here's the Wireshark and downloads. So it's available for Windows, Mac, as well as Ubuntu, as well as Linux. Okay. Packet capture series. Packets are known as the smallest units of data, which data is transmitted in a network. The packets are captured via NIC, also known as Network Interface Card, in a promiscuous mode or monitor mode. The captured packets are saved in a PCAP format. Filtering techniques. Wireshark consists of a lot of filtering techniques. For example, TCP dot port is equal to 80, which displays all the traffic traversing through the network using TCP port 80. It supports over 2000 protocols like TCP/IP, HTTP, DNS, SSL, TLS, etc. It helps in the deep inspection of packets. Key features. It's extensible to use plugins. It captures real-time traffic, and we have a detailed packet inspection. It has advanced filtering and coloring. It exports in multiple formats. We will discuss this about all these features in the lab session. Practical demo. Let's start to capture session and apply filters and list protocols. For demo, select the interface. Okay. So first we have to select an interface. So for now, let's select the Wi-Fi path. And now we have to click the start button for capturing packets. And these are the packets which are being captured through this network. Any malicious packet can also be captured. So this is an ARP packet which consists of the hardware type, protocol, hardware size, protocol, the sender's MAC address, the sender's IP address, target MAC address, and target IP address. This is a TCP packet. These are all packets which are traversing to this network. Okay, now let's enter HTTP. Let's go for HTTP. See, no packets are captured in HTTP. So let's open a file which has HTTP. Okay. 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 Now it's loading the packets. Yeah, here are the packets. See, this is a HTTP GET request. Let's search for HTTP. Now let's move on to another HTTP. See, this is UDP. Now, DNS is filter DNS. So let's apply the filter DNS. It's filtering DNS. So here is a DNS file. This is the source, this is the destination, and this is the packet number. This is IPv4 and this is IPv6. So that's how we can use Wireshark for capturing packets and missing packets. There are security applications of Wireshark are for detect intrusions and anomalies, to detect malware traffic, to do malware traffic analysis, and to do forensic investigations. Best practice: capture minimal traffic, save packs for review, document findings, respect privacy and legal compliances. Wireshark is an essential analysis tool which helps to troubleshoot, secure, and optimize networks. In order to learn Wireshark, you have to know the theory as well as the practical to become a master in Wireshark. Thanks.